Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on the AI Prompt Maker introduction and how to register. I'm here to guide you through everything step by step in a straightforward way. This page is all about helping you generate AI prompts for images, videos, music, and more. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the site and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's take a dive in. Let's get started. To use this page, simply open it in your web browser by visiting www.ai-prompt-maker.com. on the AI Prompt Maker website. It quickly checks if you're logged in. If you are, it redirects you to the main dashboard to start creating. If not, you'll see the main content, including a welcoming section with headlines, descriptions, and easy buttons to various to actions. Now, let's explore the interface. The page has a clean, user-friendly layout with several key elements. Starting with the header section at the top, you'll find big headings like AI Prompt Maker and a description highlighting free features, such as generating and saving up to 20 prompts with a free account. There's inviting text like, "Register free today," with a link to the registration page. Just click it to head to the registration form. On the side, you'll notice floating buttons for quick access, like Help, which opens a helpful pop-up, or Gallery for inspiration. Image to Prompt Gallery, Expanded Prompt Gallery. Don't forget to visit our affiliates and partners page. AI Prompt Maker has used and tested all these AI tools to make sure it works perfect with our generated prompts. Keep an eye out for banners promoting things like Video Express AI or special offers. These link to pages like coupons for free credits. And don't miss the Try It section with a button for a free prompt. No sign up needed. It takes you to free prompt to test things out. Let's talk about registering an account. This is the heart of the page. At the top, click Register Free Today section, where you'll see a simple box with buttons to register or log in. If you click on Register, it takes you to registration with a form for your details. Here's how it works. Start by filling in the text inputs for fields like full name, username, email, password, and confirm password. Once you're ready, submit the form, and the script checks everything. For example, it ensures your passwords match. If they don't, you'll get a gentle error message like "Passwords don't match, please re-enter." It also verifies that your password is at least 6 characters and that your username or email isn't already taken by checking the database. If all goes well, you'll see a success message like "Account created. You can now log in and you'll be on your way." Remember, as a beginner, always double-check your entries for a seamless experience. The code keeps your data secure with practices like password hashing. Next, let's take a moment to look at viewing public reviews. In the What Our Users Say section, you'll find up to 50 recent reviews displayed in easy-to-read boxes. The code fetches these from the database, showing comments, the author's username if shared, and the date. For instance, you might see something like, "This tool is amazing for generating AI prompts," from user 123 on December 1st, 2025. If there are no reviews yet, it encourages you with a note like, "No reviews yet. Be the first and earn +2 credits." Once you're registered, you can even submit your own to engage and get rewards. Finally, let's touch on some other features and best practices to wrap things up. At the bottom, you'll find the User Content Agreement, which outlines simple rules for uploads, like avoiding vulgar content. So take a quick read to stay on the right track. The footer includes extra links to pages like Banner for more info or ads. Remember, this page is just the beginning. Once you're signed up, you can explore tools like Smart Multi-Select for styles or image-to-prompt conversions. Use those floating buttons to jump around and discover more. And that's it for our journey today. You've now got a clear understanding of how to navigate the AI Prompt Maker page and register. From exploring the interface to registering and viewing reviews, it's all designed to be simple, secure, and accessible for everyone. If you're feeling inspired, head over to the site, try that free prompt, and sign up. Your first 20 prompts are waiting with a free account. If any questions come up, just click the Help button. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful and enjoyable. Until next time, take care.